I was born and raised in Patterson.
I lived in Patterson basically all my life.
I was the mayor of Patterson for approximately 14 years.
I have been in Patterson resident for the last 35 years.
I was a school teacher in Patterson for 34 years.
Working here for the past 34 years.
The biggest concern right now that's not being addressed in Patterson, it's crime.
My biggest concern is the crime.
Biggest concern of the city of Patterson is safety.
I don't feel safe in my neighborhood.
The crimes and the shootings and the shenanigans that are allowed to go on in plain sight every day, I just don't understand.
This is the moment when Patterson needs, in my opinion, strong, sound leadership that has the experience, have demonstrated that they got it done before.
Joey Torres is the only person who has any contacts outside of the city that will help us.
Because he is the only one with the experience to move the city forward.
Joey Torres was hands-on. He was out on the streets. He was here for us.
That's why I'm supporting Joey. I'm convinced that he's the right man at the right time.